Thank you for being here for this very important discussion about bullying. We've seen that bullying has been on the rise, and according to the UNESCO Institute of Statistics, about 1/3 of the globe's youth is bullied. The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services reports nationwide about 20% of students ages 12 to 18 experience bullying. Every one of us must begin working together to stop bullying and turn the statistic around. But what is bullying? In 2014, the CDC and the U.S. Department of Education defined bullying with 3 factors. 1 is unwanted aggressive behaviors. 2 is an observed or perceived power imbalance. And 3 is repetition or a high likelihood of bullying behaviors. There are 4 types of bullying. Bullying can be physical, like hitting or kicking, tripping, could be taking someone's things or breaking someone's things. Bullying can also be social. It leaves someone out on purpose. It can be telling other kids not to be friends with someone, or it can also be spreading rumors. Bullying can also be verbal. That can mean teasing or name-calling, making threats to cause harm. And there's also a digital type of bullying known as cyberbullying. This could be texting, emailing, or even videos that are insulting. Where does bullying happen? We know that bullying can be outside of the school grounds, it can occur on school property, and it can also occur online or by text, like we mentioned, known as cyberbullying. What can we do about bullying? Research has found that when bullying occurs, bystanders are present 80% of the time. Bystanders can help during a bullying incident by openly saying an objection to the bullying. We can also ask the bully to stop. Bystanders can still help after the bullying by reporting the bullying to a trusted adult, a parent, a teacher, or a school administrator. You can tell them in person, or we'll have a new form for students to use if they want to talk to the school counselor about being bullied, seeing bullying, or even if they are the bully. You can fill out the form, and then the counselor will meet with you. Parents can also help by talking to your kids about bullying and having thoughtful talks with your child every day. Ask them to share an example of a student who helped someone at school this week. Without names, you can ask them to share an example of someone who made another student feel bad. Talk about what other students did and what your child did, and if they would do anything different. Ask them how an adult can help. It is all of our jobs together to stop bullying. Studies have shown that adults can prevent bullying by talking to children about bullying, encouraging them to do what they love, modeling kindness and respect, and seeking help. We want our school to be a safe and positive place to learn. So students, let's remember to talk to teachers or other adults you trust if you see bullying or are worried about how someone is being treated. With that in mind, let's all have a great year of learning. Thank you. See you in the classroom.